Okay, next is mean of discrete random variable. So the mean of a discrete random variable given by capital letter X is the value that is expected to occur repetition on average. Okay, mana akan berlaku nilai yang variable X, iaitu nilai yang dijangkakan akan berlaku berulang-ulang kali if an experiment is repeated a large number of times. Jadi maknanya mean of discrete random variable ni adalah nilai yang kita jangkakan akan terhasil apabila satu eksperimen itu dilakukan dalam jumlah yang sangat besar. Jumlah apabila eksperimen itu dilakukan pada kekerapan yang tinggi, jadi kita jangkakan mean of discrete random variable ni adalah nilai yang akan terhasil, nilai yang akan kerap terhasil. Okay. It is denoted by mu. Kita gunakan simbol mu untuk mean of discrete random variable. And the formula for mu or the formula for mean of discrete random variable is given by this, which is a summation ataupun total value X, okay, value of a random variable time probability when the random variable takes value of X. Okay, so nilai X darab dengan probability of itself. So kita total up kan. So hasilnya adalah mean of discrete random variable given by mu. The mean of discrete random variable X is also called as its expected value and is denoted by E of X. Okay, mu ni juga akan digunakan simbol sebagai E of X yang kita sebut sebagai expected value. Standard deviation of discrete random variable. The standard deviation of a discrete random variable X measures the spread of its probability distribution. So remember, kalau mean ataupun mu tu adalah average, nilai yang apabila eksperimen itu berlaku dalam kekerapan yang tinggi, average suatu event tersebut berlaku adalah mu. Okay, dan standard deviation tu adalah the spread of its probability distribution tu maknanya taburan data-data yang lain dengan mean bagi peristiwa tersebut. Maknanya spread taburan data-data yang lain dengan average berlakunya peristiwa tersebut. Okay. It is denoted by sigma. Disebut sigma. So, standard deviation ni diberi oleh simbol sigma and calculated as this formula. So kita guna formula ni untuk mengira standard deviation. Okay. A square root of punca kuasa, okay, square root of punca kuasa summation x square, okay, nilai-nilai bagi peristiwa tersebut, bagi sampel yang kita ambil, darab dengan probability bagi setiap peristiwa yang berlaku dalam proses pensampelan tersebut, tolak dengan mu kuasa 2, tolak dengan mean of the pensampelan kuasa 2. So hasil daripada formula tersebut, summation ni memang summation semua sekali ni. Summation kirakan semua ni, setiap satu untuk setiap data X ni, kemudian ambilkan total, kemudian punca kuasa 2 kan akan mendapat standard deviation. For example, the following table lists the probability distribution of car sales per day in a used car dealer based on past data. P of X is the probability of the corresponding value of capital X equal to small x. Now calculate the expected number of sales per day and followed by standard deviation. So answer given as this. So given nilai-nilai X, kemudian probability of X occur. So daripada sini kita nak carikan mean daripada formula mu tadi, daripada slide yang sebelum ni gunakan formula mu. Formula mu kita dapatkan X, P of X dulu. Ini darab yang ni dapat ni, ini darab ni dapat ni, ini darab ni dapat yang ni. Okey, ini darab ni dapat yang ni. Okey, so totalkan. Totalkan yang ni tambah ni tambah ni tambah ni dapat mu. So mu ataupun expected value of X given by 1.90. Okay, next nak dapatkan standard deviation. Jadi, okay, gunakan formula untuk standard deviation daripada earlier slide. Daripada earlier slide ni, dapatkan formula untuk standard deviation yang ni. Okay, itu daripada X. Daripada ni, X kuasa 2 ke yang ni, darab dengan PX dapat yang ni. Kuasa 2 yang ni, darab yang ni, dapat yang ni. Kuasa 2 darab yang ni, dan seterusnya. Tu. Next, kita dapat total of this. Okay, so total of this one dapat 4.60. So variable adalah nilai yang ni tolak dengan mu kuasa 2. Mu kuasa 2 dapat varian adalah 0.99. Okay, kalau standard deviation adalah punca kuasa 2 bagi varian. Punca kuasa 2 0.99 adalah standard deviation, which is 0.995. Okay, now cuba buat yang ni. Okay, let's do this exercise on your own and try to get the answer provided here. During the summer months, a rental agency keeps track of the number of chainsaws it rents each day during a period of 90 days. And X denotes the number of saws rented per day. What is the expected number of saws rented per day? Then find the standard deviation. Gunakan contoh pengiraan dalam example 7 yang sebelum ni untuk calculatekan standard, calculatekan expected number of saws ataupun mu, average dan juga standard deviation. Okay, next is cumulative probability distribution. Cumulative probability distribution for a random variable X is a rule or table that provides the probabilities P, X less or equal and value X for any real number X. So yang ni kita ambil probability terkumpul. Okay, probability bagi sesuatu event tu at most given value X. Okay, generally the term cumulative probability refers to the probabilities that X less than or greater than or equal to a particular value. Okay, for a discrete random variable, the cumulative probability given by capital letter F of X is probability random variable X less or equal given value X. So this is the value of cumulative probability distribution. Example, during the school holiday, the manager of Victory Hotel records the number of room bookings being cancelled each day during a period of 50 days. The results are shown below, and Y denotes the number of room bookings being cancelled per day. Construct the probability distribution of Y. Then draw a bar chart for the probability distribution. So this is number of room booking being cancelled per day, and this is number of days. Then from the given table here, we can construct the probability for each random variable. Okay, so this is the probability given random variable when Y is 0, number of room being cancelled 0, no number of room being cancelled, So probability is this. Number of room being cancelled 1. This is the probability. Okay, and this is the chart probability being constructed from this one. Okay, next, the manager expects. Now we want to answer this exercise. The manager expects that 5 room bookings were cancelled for a day. Is the manager expectation true? Explain. Okay, so now using a formula of expected value, summation of x, p of x. So from the table earlier, so kita construct x0 time probability plus 1 times its probability plus number of 2 room cancel times probability until at the end. Until 7 number of room being cancelled and its probability. So we total up. So the answer is 3.66. So therefore, the manager expect 5 room booking were cancelled for a day. So the expectation of the manager is not true because the answer we obtain is the expectation is 3.66 or it's about 4. Okay, next, find the probability that at most 3 room bookings were cancelled. Okay, probability at most 3 room booking were cancelled is probability y at most 3. It means that probability y equal 0, y equal 1, y equal 2 and y equal 3. So summation of all these probabilities are 0.42. Okay, next, find the standard deviation for the number of room bookings being cancelled. Okay, using the formula of standard deviation. Okay, from the notes, we have this formula and we insert in the value of the calculation x square times probability. So having this one and minus mu square that we obtain from here, mu, okay, or mean value minus mu square and then get the root of it, get the square root of this value. So finally, you should be able to get the answer 1.716 for the standard deviation. Okay, now try to do this exercise on your own. During the summer month, a rental agency keeps track of the number of chainsaws it rents each day during a period of 90 days, and X denotes the number of saws rented per day. What is the expected number of saws rented per day? Then find the standard deviation. So the answer given is expected value is 0.96 and standard deviation of 0.2491. And given this table of probabilities. Okay, now try do this exercise.